like I saw, we're finally at the table.
I dance, man.
Pull them over there.
Just 2 adult dining there.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Let's see what the menu has. Let's see what the menu has. Oh, can't open it. They got roadsides. Southern fries, sliders.
Happy Mother's Day. I'm Crispin, I'm the server. Welcome to Cheesecake Factory. Our soup is cream of chicken with artichoke hearts and a specialty salmon with a lemon butter sauce. Menu, everything okay, except right now I do not have lasagna verde or brulee toast for the brunch items.
They got pizza.
Can I offer you something to drink?
Yeah, right now, Paula, what do you want? To drink?
Oh, just water.
She wants water. I'll have a Diet Coke. They'll have water. He'll have water.
Okay.
You know what I need for him though right away is he's like real hungry. Can you give me like a slice of banana and some sliced up strawberries?
Okay, banana I can have it over there. I cannot charge you, but strawberries I have to charge you for the bacon, okay?
That's fine. Just get them ASAP because
I get it right now.
Okay, thanks.
I'm gonna get those drinks and I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
Not pumpkin. I know.
You know what? We should have sat on that side because there's nobody behind. And he stands up.
He's like this. He's like, what do you mean? Did you do this in the table in the restaurant? Sit down. Sit down.
I need something to make this stand. You have anything? Do you have anything to make this stand? I need the camera to stand.
Harley, turn around.
Yeah, wine it.
I need something to make this camera. This one will work, Hayden. I tried it. I told you this one worked, Hayden. I told you it won't work.
It don't work. Let's find something
useful. Oh my God. This is Layla's?
You can have pasta, right? You want pasta?
I'm gonna get Have you lost your mind? Stop screaming like that. What did you say? What did you say though? What did you say? Oh, pasta?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was looking at that. It's probably
So I think you have to get it without me.
Pizza. I wonder if they have tacos. Come on, tacos.
Okay, I got the strawberries.
Thank you.
Yes, they have bread.
Bread,
Yeah.
butter,
You don't put your hand
I got water.
Thank you. Water.
Water for you, sir.
Thank you. Water.
I got water for him.
Water. Water. Water.
Diet Coke, water. Okay, I'll be right back, okay?
All right,
Water.
thank
How do you put the strawberry in the green? There he is. Strawberry and
you. You know what you want?
yeah,
What do you want?
pizza.
What do you want? Let me see that. I'm gonna let you all order for yourself. You must have lost your mind. You're not getting good. Are you sure? It's not gonna fill you up. If you're hungry, it's not gonna fill you up. It's not enough. The sliders will fill you up, huh?
Lions.
Hey, you want to stay with the pizza?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, what about the
You have to.
bacon?
Give it up. You know I gotta stop touching stuff when it's in the restaurant. For real. Here you go. There's butter here. You don't want butter?
No, wipe it. Wipe the mouth.
When have you ever been someplace where you go and grab the butter with your hands? Look at how I'm doing. There, like that.
They got butter.
Appetizers, question decisions.
Anything, hon?
No, I'm ready.
You ready to order?
Yeah.
You ready to order?
Cheese pizza.
Pizza? You want a cheese or pepperoni?
Cheese.
Cheese pizza for you.
Oh, that sounds.
The roadside sliders.
The sliders. Any cheese on it?
Wait, the roadside sliders, it's all beef, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The I got chicken slider, I got roast slice. She got beef, right?
Yeah, you want
Any cheese? American cheddar
American.
and French fries or fruit? French fries, okay?
I was going to try the sweet corn tamale.
Tamale cake?
Yeah. Does it come with meat?
That's those are cakes. It's 3 cakes with cream sauce, avocado, sour cream. Okay?
I have the bang bang chicken.
White rice or brown rice?
Here
White.
for your butter.
Any ask for him? He's okay?
Okay.
No, I think he'll be okay.
Okay, perfect. Sorry.
Thank you.
Can I get those menus, please? Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Arlie, you gotta learn patience.
Oh, you guys get a drink with your meal. Remind him when he comes back, you guys get a drink with your meal.
It has butter on it. Now there.
Open your mouth. Red? Okay, eat the strawberry first. Put it in your hand. That's probably where he got that word from.
Yeah. that was some good. That was good. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and not forget to peace out, guys.